working the table with Blizzard to teach him to wait for me wherever I'm at on the agility field, and I can release him. And some of our venues that we do here in the United States require a down on the table, so I want a down as a default. Okay, yes, buddy, good boy. Good boy. So he's on the A-frame, and I'm going to send him to the table. Ready? Table, hurry up. Lie down. Good boy. 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and go. Good boy. Stay. Lie down. Yes, good man. Let's try from the tunnel. Ready? Where's the tunnel? Ready? Table. Target. Target. Yes. Okay. Go. Hurry. Out tunnel. Out. Here he comes. Lie down. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. Yay! He's a good boy. Yes, he's a good boy. He's a good boy.